valedictory address.
To our board of directors, administrator, honored guests, teachers, parents, and my fellow students, a pleasant day to all of you. Graduation day, how time flies. I can still remember our first day in school. Some of us were crying, never want to be left alone. But with the help of our teachers, we managed to move on. We enjoyed being in school. We learned so many lessons and we have met so many friends. And now it is our graduation day, a time to give thanks to our parents for all the love and support, to our teachers for all the guidance, and of course to God for always being there for us. We are now graduates, but it does not mean that this is the end. In fact, we are just starting off. There are more years of classmates to meet, more assignments, and especially more tests, but a better future. Education, something that could never be taken away from us. To all my fellow graduates, please accept my congratulations.